Guys, today I'm going to be showing you slime. So this lid equals this slime, this lid equals this slime, this lid equals this slime, and this lid equals this slime. So this is going to be a kind of bonus slime, so let's start with that one. Yeah, squidgy. It's very squidgy and wet. You see that? And I can make a farting noise if you want it. Yep, put that one away. Pop. And the next one I'm going to be opening this one. That one of course is this one. So let's squish, squash, squish, squish, squish. And then flip. It's so fluffy, this one. And it's so stretchy. I can literally stretch this if you wanted me to. So let's pop this one away. And pop it right into here. Ah, sticky. It's sticking to me. I get the lid and put that on. Yeah, that's on now. So next is going to be this. Squasher. Squish, 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 squish. And that one, by the way. Then flip. Then you're going to pull. Stretchy again. It's fluffy as well. So stretchy and fluffy. Let's go pop it back in here now, as we don't want it to dry out, do we? At the moment we've got these three done, so now we just have one more left. This amazing one here, this yellow slime, and that is this one, of course. This is so cool. Ready, steady, poke. Then I'm going to flip it over. And there, squishy squishies. And then put it in the pot.